Here, let's take the puzzle pieces out. Yeah. All right. So here's that. And here, where does that one go? Yeah, it goes right there. Good job. What about that one? Where's that one go? Yep, right there. I know. It's a little tough to get in there. How about that? Where's that one go?
What does a horsey say?
That's right.
What does a horsey say?
You want me to slide it in there for you?
What animal is that?
Where's that one?
What does that one say?
What happened? Here, where's this one go? Does that go? Yeah, right there.
He tried.
That one.
You're welcome.
You know, it's kind of hard to reach with short arms. You just have to kind of spin it. Oh, you want me to do it? All right. Yep, there. And then there's one more. I don't know where the other two pieces are.
Said thank
Right
you for
there.
everyone.
You're welcome.
Hooray!
Ta-da! Nope. Oh, you want to do it again? All right, we can do them again.
Carter, can you say ta-da?
How about high five? Can I get a high five? Yeah, good job.